Next up is the blush. What do you do if you run into a Valentine but all you have in your bag is just this pink lipstick? Disaster. Well, not anymore, because today I'm going to show you that how you can turn yourself into a beauty queen literally in minutes with just this pink lipstick. So first we're going to do eyes, because eyes are the windows to the soul. So I'm going to take a very little amount and I'm going to use it like so. You can see how gorgeous my eyes look now. It seems as if I've used an eye shade and it's just lipstick. Again, the idea is to keep everything very subtle and use the lightest amount possible. And now we do the other window to the soul, the other eye. Ooh la la. It looks gorgeous, as you can see, very subtle. Okay, and that's it. Next up is the blush, and we'll go here from the temple to the upper part of the cheek, because I'm gonna give a very lifted cheek look, because I think that suits my face. But feel free to go over here for a fuller look on the apple of your cheek, but I don't like that. Okay, go here on this cheek, and you can see it has made such a difference. Glowy cheeks. And now, of course, the lipstick. Here you can go as much as you want. I would go with a medium consistency. A very beautiful lipstick from MAC. You can see the difference, how it has changed my whole look. And another trick I'm going to show you: if you happen to have a secret eyeliner brush, then you can actually use this as an eyeliner, like so, very subtle. And that's why I told you to use very little amount of the eyes, because once you're going to use it as an eyeliner, it's going to stand out. And now let's do it on this side of the eye as well. Wow. I really love it, because you know, it looks so good, and the amount of effort that I've put into this look is zero. But it's all gonna work if you are gonna keep a pink lipstick in your bag. Otherwise, well, Valentine's Day cancelled. And now I'm going to show you how you can do it with a liquid lipstick. So let's get started. So first we're going to remove it. This is a wet tissue. Okay. Oh my love. Okay, so I'm like, yeah, it's always a good idea to use little amounts so you can intensify it later on. And now this lip stain. So we're going to do the lips first, because it's a lip stain, and of course to take his breath away. So, and because it's lip stain, so it's gonna get lighter in a few minutes. One of my favorite lip stains ever. And now let's go backwards. Do the cheek first. So I am thinking to do a sun-kissed cheek look. Okay, and I'll just quickly blend it. It may seem very much to you right now, like, don't make yourself a clown. Okay, so blend it. Don't worry, because it's a lip stain, so it's gonna melt in the skin. Just give a little bit of pink tint to the skin. So yeah, if you are using a lipstick and if you want to go this, do this sun-kissed look, use very little amount. Okay, because if you think it's extra, just put it on the temples here. Okay, and if you even think that it's so extra, then just use a little bit of a wet tissue and then blend it into your skin. so that it looks like a tint and looks like it's you know, just a shade, pinkish shade, and not too much. And if you happen to have access to face powder, then you can use some face powder on top of it. Not necessary because it's gonna melt in the skin either way, but yeah, just to give yourself a bit of comfort from the hard tech of using too much pink lipstick as a blush. And now let's go ahead and use it as a eye shade or eyeliner. I can't decide. Let's try. And now let's use it as an eyeliner. So I'm gonna like use very little quantity here, like so, and then drag it up. Wow, easy peasy. And let's do it on the other eye. So I don't think so that I need to do much with it. It looks perfect just like that. But if you really want to accentuate it, you can use your pinky finger. And of course, if it doesn't work, then a wet tissue would do. And yeah, don't forget to put a thumbs up to my video if you like it. And of course, to keep up pink lipstick this Valentine's season, because you never know when you're going to find your Valentine accidentally. Okay, so yeah, don't forget to put a thumbs up to my video, and love you guys. Take care of yourself. Ciao. And go to my blog if you really want to read about the pink lipsticks. And of course, do let me know if I have failed this challenge or passed it. I think I have done pretty well, but you let me know in the comment section below.